was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of nothing.
YouTube, what it do, man? 78 Chevy, boy, we out here today. Finna, Jazz called me, he got to do another test fitting, man. You know, we got to make sure this thing right. We got to make sure it's all the way right. So, got to do a test fitting, man. I got to move these cars around. Element, scooter car, Yukon. Got to move it around, man. God dog, boss lady was the last one driving this one. Driving a scooter car. Man. Yeah, gotta move the Element. Yeah, boy. A blessing to have the vehicles we have. Oh yeah, I need to put this in my good thing I did. Put this on back of the truck. Got something for Big G, man. Got some merch for Big G. So we gotta throw that on back of the truck. Or should I put this in the truck? Yeah, I should put this in the truck. But we'll be back, man. Once I move these cars around. Y'all ride with me over here to holler at Jazz, man. Certified custom. We'll be back. All right. Yo, we out here, man. We out here, baby. On this slab, finna holler at Jazz. Then I got a call, man. I've been looking, you know, deer season out. So I called my hunting buddies. And shout out to Big Nate, man. Hopefully Jazz finished me up because Big Nate gave me his guy that might have some deer meat, you know what I'm saying? Looking for some of them links. I'm gonna see what else he got out here. If Jazz finished me up before he leaves his shop, I'm gonna shoot out there, man, and give me some more of them links, man. Them links was so good. You know, we got them from our Mississippi plug, but pretty much, man, they know, you know, I know Big Nate. The way we was eating good out there that day with him, I already know whoever this is that does his meat, man, process his meat. I know we super straight, man. I know Nate ain't finna fool nobody, ain't getting it right. So I'm looking forward to going out here and see what he got, man. Ain't no telling what I'm finna buy. So I'll keep y'all posted on that too if I get out here. Yeah, man, that deer meat be fire, man. And I'm gonna get on the grill this coming like tomorrow is March 4th. That's me and Boss Lady anniversary, man. We've been married 19 years. And we've been married 19 years. So by falling through the week, man, we just gonna get us something good to eat tomorrow and chill at the house, enjoy each other. So next weekend, we're gonna celebrate it right there at the house too. But she want me to get on the grill for her again, man. You know, I went and picked up a little gift. She don't even know it. She told me I ain't have to get her nothing, man. But you know, I had to get her something, man. We had to get her something. So that's what we're gonna be doing next weekend, man. Get back down that patio. It's supposed to be like 60 degrees. I hope it stay the same way, 60 degrees. No rain in the forecast, man. We're gonna chill at the crib and enjoy each other. So that's what we on, man. Cause I know from where Jazz shop is to where the guy is not that far. So hopefully I can catch him, man. Told y'all, man, when I be in Cayenne, bro, this average right here, dog. This average right here, average ride. Yep. So, no, y'all used to seeing that highway. My people out of town can't even, I bet y'all can tell me what exit coming up next and everything, boy, much as I go out here. Much as y'all done seen me come out here to Jazz Shop. Yes, sir. Woo! Good riding, boy. Good riding, boy. Man, I wish our streets and expressways was like down in Miami. Miami, boy. Miami, Orlando. From what I saw, boy, them folk got some good streets. When I was down there, you know, I done took Penny down there to Orlando. Every time we went to Miami though, we never took no cars down there. We always be in a rental. But the streets are not bad, man. I'm talking about we was over there in Opelika. I want to say Opelika. That's where Big Low shop at. We went over there. Man, we went to a couple of nightclubs that night. You know what I'm saying? I ain't seen a bad road yet down there. Not saying they don't have any, but I ain't seen none. If I put that new flash in there, you can hear that junk ticking hard, boy. Yeah, you couldn't even really hear that other flash. You can hear this one. Yeah, man. Hopefully, the dude said he gonna be down at about 2:30, 3 o'clock. So I should have plenty of time, man, to catch him before he leave. Certified Kustoms. Jad sent me a golf cart today, man. I told y'all I'm still on the hunt. Jad be looking out for me. He sent me them joints. He sent it to me this morning, like 7 o'clock. Man, I sent the folks a message instantly. As soon as I sent it to them that morning, they were like, we're in the talks with somebody. I was like, man, come on, dog. They had just posted it like 11 hours ago. So I was like, okay, let me know. So he sent me another one. He was like, yeah, I'm gonna have this one. It'll be available in a couple of days. I was like, well, I don't just like that one. I like the first one I had my eyes on. I'm like, okay, I'll let you know, man. He hit me back, man. It's sold, but I might have one like it. Coming up here soon. Be available. See, that's why I don't want to rush and buy them, man. Because if I run across a good lick, a good price and everything, man, I'm going to get it right then. We got another ghost out here, man. Another unicorn, man. We got another unicorn out here, man. Yeah. Let's holler at him, man. We're gonna get that video on it. All right. Before I get up out of here, I gotta make a run and come right back. Thirsting with that thing, man. Y'all probably seen this on my page a long time ago. Yeah, we're getting a couple things straightened out on it. Getting a couple things straightened out on it, man. Clean, still clean, man. Still clean, man. Yeah, man, we finna shoot on over here and get this deer meat. Jad working on a car, on a Thurston car. So I called the guy. He said, "How long it'll take you to get here?" I said, "Man, I'll be there 15 minutes." So I'm gonna go and make this deer meat run, man. Make this deer meat run, man. Then we gonna stop back by Jazz house. I'm in Jazz shop. Do it like that right there. Ooh, expressway ugly, boy. Big old potholes out here, man. It's getting a little warm today, boy. 66 degrees. I had to come up out of that dicky coat, boy. Get out here, man. I'll let y'all see this deer meat once we pick it up. Holla back. Let me pay attention to these potholes, man. All right. Still clean, man. Still clean. Got them Spentex on that thing, man. Still clean. Over here, man. Roy over here. Getting some stuff done. On the C30. What's up, man? Back at the crib. Back at the house. About to jump out of Cayenne and jump into the element. Still got a little ripping and running to do, man. We done made it back from Jazz shop, man. Y'all gotta pardon me. Y'all gotta pardon me, man. Y'all looking. If I ain't get enough footage for y'all, man, my bad. If I ain't get enough footage. Back at the crib. So, to the next video, man, I gotta finish going to get boss lady a couple things for our anniversary tomorrow, man. So, trying to get out with all this stuff, man. Man, that expressway, boy. Let me check my damn wheel. That expressway, man. I better make sure my wheel's straight, man. I know I hit one of them. One a big one, no pothole, but yeah, you can call it a pothole. Yeah, man. 275, 25. Doing me good, man. Doing me good. Doing me good. Doing what they supposed to do, man. So, until the next video, man, y'all stay humble. Stay prayed up. Stay out the way, man. 78 Chevy Boy. I'm out. What it do, man? 78 Chevy Boy presents the 4th annual Connect and Never Compete Car and Bike Show going down May 31st at the Lander Center in Southaven, Mississippi from 12 to 8. Roll in judging from 12 to 4:30. Giveaways and trophy ceremony at 6 o'clock, man. You do not want to miss it. Big giveaways. Come on out, enjoy the vibes, and have fun. Stay tuned for more details. May 31st. Mark your calendars.
I'm a 7,